My name's Stephen Russell. I was born and bred at La Perouse, and my connection is from Botany Bay down south to the Victoria border. Bidigal, man of the Dharawal Nation, and which is here on this place that I am standing at Hill 60. The work's about the community. It's the dreaming story of the Five Islands, well, one of the dreaming stories, but I believe the Five Islands is the main dreaming story here for Kembla, and it shows who we are. We're saltwater people, and that's why we have the fish, because every year around Easter, the deep sea mullet run north, and that's the time of year that we depended on it. All of us, way back then, and still do now. My mum is Esme Timbery, the well-known shell worker, who she done it all her life, right up until she couldn't pick anything up or pick things up again. My mother was born behind me down on this beach back in the early 1900s. We lost her just last Christmas at 93. She had a good run, and she made a name for herself as well. Just bring something satisfying to the community. It's for the community, and it's not just about me and my family, but it's about the community of who we are here on the east coast of New South Wales.